Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Star Workshop. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here. You just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on visual effects. Just click on it here. Then you come to this list. Come here to Constellation. Here flare. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me here. Constellation flare disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.